Our daily teacher is here. I'm gonna have an hour little.
You're not on alone. You cannot.
It's
Too
what?
risky. Too dangerous to go there. Too risky because the luggage is in the way. Because somebody needs to push a trolley. Away. Away.
Tippy, you the best to the day. I want to be mayonnaise.
So an hour I only do one repeat at night. The whatever God said call me the hour. Actually I do so much like an hour. So about this I thought I was plushie at World Center. So ours they cook at night. So they always eat rats. Right. So Chinese call it bottle in, for Malay call it buah hantu. For Burmese they call it secret. So ours are very cute animal because they only hunt food at night. So they always sleep in the daytime. So ours are very cute animal because they're very wise birds. So ours is OWL because they always hunt for rats at night. Sometimes they always eat chicken, which I'm mentioning those eat fish. So here at our because ours eat vegetables. Actually it's right for ours to eat chicken. So at our I don't eat chicken.
That's chicken. I want to eat chicken. Give me some chicken. I don't like to eat during yuck.
Cause my friends they call me our because I'm like our. Every time I do it like Wasuma to in and our and the blue hantu. Every time I remember who call me our. I think Shirley, I think Shirley call me David our more to in. I think Shirley call me David our. So Shirley is my best friend. She already heard. She didn't finish Shirley Marie, but she's not going to ask tomorrow home. So she always call me David our. So actually I'm very smart because I'm very wise one. So every time Mr. Kushal call me David our. You don't call me Mr. Our, kind of like our. So this is a Pashi toy. This is a Pashi toy but center. Actually I bought this one at $19. So I'm afraid that this one will also out. Actually this Pokemon the hour is for Gen 2, so one for the Hoot. So I brought this another Pashi at the center last year. It's very cute and it's very wise and our. So Gosen also call me because like our. Okay. So in this radio, hope to see you all. Remember to also each other give thumbs up about this radio and remember to subscribe it. You can comment about this radio. Thank you so much everybody. This is Captain our David 8 signing off.